Hello and welcome to CommPeak. In this video, we continue our DID management series with a tour of the SMS Delivery tab in your CommPeak portal. You will learn how to create an SMS delivery profile, how to set TextPeak as a destination, how to assign the profile to your DIDs, how to manage existing profiles. To get started, log in and expand DIDs in the left-hand menu and click Management. Then switch to the SMS Delivery tab. This is where you control how inbound text messages from your DID numbers reach you, by email, through CommPeak's TextPeak messaging platform, or both. To create a delivery rule, click plus New Profile. In the Name field, enter a clear identifier for the profile, for example, Support Inbox. In the Destination Email Address field, enter the address that should receive forwarded messages. To add more recipients, click Add More. You can add up to 10 email addresses per profile. To route messages into TextPeak for agent handling, check the Sync with TextPeak option. Email and TextPeak delivery work together, enabling one does not exclude the other. Click Create Profile. The new profile is added to the table. To assign the profile to a DID, open the My DIDs tab, click the three-dot menu on the number, and select Set SMS Delivery. In the Message Settings window, select your profile from the drop-down and click Save Changes. The DID will now route all incoming SMS through that profile. Note that the DID must support SMS delivery. If it doesn't, an error will inform you that SMS delivery cannot be set. Verify capability before assigning a profile. On the SMS Delivery tab, you can filter your DIDs by this profile, edit profile details, or delete profiles no longer in use. That wraps up SMS delivery. The full guide and related resources are linked below. Thanks for watching.